that today our YMA team also submitted one memorandum to me, which was actually the natural football ground. So it is, I think, it's better because that artificial football turf is very difficult to maintain, maintenance and all. So by 2-3 days, within 2-3 days, I will send the engineer to take the measurement and for the DPR estimate, final estimate, and we will propose through the state government. Then we'll try our level best to sanction the fund for that matter. So our generation, next generation, can play very well and comfortable ground. So now the field is actually, we have the ground, but there is no smoothness. There's up and down because of the rough of the marks. So player cannot play nicely because of that. So we need the good ground so that people, player can play, they can show their talent in practically. So people also want that areas, and most of probably these areas, as we know that people from Jampui, they are very lovely and peaceful manner, and also faithful and hardworking, dedicated person. I love the Jampui people. So our players from these areas, before also we heard that so many players, they played in state level tournament also, especially this region, Jampui and Longkai regions. People are very interested in the football match, football play. So that's why we need the opportunity. The good ground should be there, at least in the Jampui Hill once, in the starting. Later on we can increase day by day. And also we need in Kanchanpur area also, because in subdivision there is no good field. That's why our areas players cannot come up in the state level or national level, because they cannot play. They didn't get the opportunity to play the good playing. So all these are required. Not only these things, it is very important for the health also, and to abuse the nowadays we know that Tripura is the corridor of the drugs. So we should stop all these unnecessary things to our young generation. They should not get involved. So we should come up from these unhealthy things. So that's why we need to get the opportunity to them, for the younger generation, especially to the younger generation. এটাই আমি বলতে চাই যে আমাদের মধ্যে অনেক কিছু করার বাকি আছে, স্পেশালি নর্থ ত্রিপুরাতে আমাদের এখানে এত ভালো ফিল্ড ছিল না, এই কারণে আমরা আমাদের প্লেয়াররা সুযোগ পাই না, ঠিক মতো খেলতে পারে না, এবং ন্যাশনাল লেভেল বিভিন্ন লেভেলে আমরা এই উঠতে পারে না, কারণ আমাদের এই যে অপরচুনিটিটা খুব কম আছে। প্লেয়ার বহুত মানে অনেক ভালো প্লেয়ার আছে আমাদের এখানে, কিন্তু তারা ঠিক মতো খেলতে সুযোগ পায় না। তো এই সুযোগটা আমরা আগামী দিনে আমরা আমাদের নেক্সট জেনারেশনকে এটা দিতে পারে, এটার চিন্তাধারা নিয়ে আমরা কাজ করব। এটাই বলে আমি আমার এই সংক্ষিপ্ত আলোচনা এখানে শেষ করছি। থ্যাংক ইউ। দ্যাট late who T. Lal Biakthanga's family especially. So lastly, all the players, those who are playing very well, they play not just for the trophy but for the spirit of sportsmanship. So I thank you all the players, those who are participating in this tournament. And today is the last day. The final match, one junior team has already completed, another senior team will be played. So from my side, I want to announce some special Biakthanga Memorial Football Tournament final match. Here with us our guest on the dais, our MLA Philip Kumar Young, and also Sports Director Subikas Debarma, and all the guests on the dais, and the Tripura YMA group, president, secretaries, and all the executive committee members, and also the football lovers who are watching with enthusiasm in this ground. So all of you, I thank you once again. That football is most popular and everybody loves football to play and to watch. So here, especially, I want to give thanks to Mr. Fina and our auntie. I don't